Hello and welcome back to the second part of this unboxing here from Iron Shop Provisions. Now again, Iron Shop Provisions is a really cool store out of Louisiana. Also a welding shop. It's a welding shop in the back and clothing store in the front with a lot of like durable menswear goods. And I love the store. They have always stocked with like the latest and greatest Ironheart stuff, and just everything that they sell is top-notch quality. It's gonna be durable and last you a long time, which definitely two things that I love. So, all right, I already popped the seal in the last video, but again, you know, you got that really great wrapping paper, nice little note on the inside, your favorite welding shop. And let's check out what else was in this package. So, all right, this is a duck canvas type 3 jacket from Ironheart. Now, I love type 3 jackets. I love the look of them, the classic look. They're just a jacket that I always grab and go to in like the fall, spring, even the summer sometimes. And you know, this is just an incredible color, right? It's not your typical denim jacket. Incredible color and material. Also, duck canvas is going to age, you know, just as well as denim and just as durable. But definitely really amazing color in this denim jacket. I currently have a very similar jacket from Ironheart in their whipcord fabric. It's almost the same color. Really love that jacket too as well. But one thing that I miss so much on a denim jacket are those hand warmer pockets. All right, and that one does not have hand warmer pockets, and this one does. So I really love that touch. It's such a great place to just rest your hands, to warm your hands. And I just feel like every jacket needs hand warmer pockets, and that one did not come with those. It's just kind of like a really great like overshirt that also is a type 3 style jacket. But this one does have those hand warmer pockets, and really excited about that. Also, that other one, it's really it's in size small, and it runs pretty slim, so I can't do much layering on underneath that one. I'm still gonna wear it, you know, just with like a t-shirt on underneath. It looks great, but I can't do much layering. And this is a modified type 3 denim jacket, and or not denim, duck canvas jacket. So it's modified from the original cut of the type 3, meaning that it has those hand warmer pockets, and it's a little bit longer. And I went with a size medium. I went up a size, so that longer length and up a size, I'll be able to layer with this, I think, no problem. Which is, yeah, another reason why I went for, you know, kind of another similar jacket. This will be a good layering piece, and it has those hand warmer pockets, so definitely really great there. So yeah, this is a 17-ounce duck canvas. And it's very thick and durable, a beautiful fabric. Really love this. It's a lot different than the whipcord version. Whipcord version almost looks a little bit corduroy, and this just definitely looks closer to like denim, but in that super cool color. So again, size medium, and for reference, I am 5'8", about 147 pounds. And I'll get it on and we'll see what the fit looks like. So yeah, right off the bat, I can tell this is a lot roomier than my other type 3 in the similar color from Ironheart, for which I can't really layer on underneath that. But yeah, there's definitely more room. It feels really good open. I do wear my jackets open a lot, and that open fit feels really good. Slightly cropped. I can feel that crop in this jacket. I have some other denim jackets that do feel, you know, denim type 3s that do feel a little bit longer. But you know, that's the style of this jacket. So yeah, it feels, hand warmer pockets feel really nice. They feel comfortable, feel good, love them. Love having those pockets in my jacket. So yeah, it definitely feels a little bit more cropped. So, interesting because it is a modified Type 3 jacket. They said it's supposed to be a little bit longer, but it kind of feels just as cropped almost as a normal denim jacket. So yeah, this is the Type 3 cut of the jacket, which is sort of a later model of like your traditional Type 3 denim jacket. And what you get with that is you get, these pockets that look like that. You get two of them, two chest pockets. And traditionally, the Type 3s have a more angled, narrower cut at the bottom. They sort of angle in, whereas your Type 1 jacket, with just one chest pocket, a little bit more boxier of a fit, has the pleats. And then the Type 2 jacket is pretty much the same thing, boxier with the pleats, but it has two chest pockets. So, and then later on came the Type 3, which all of those are, all very classic cuts of your traditional denim jacket. But I feel like the Type 3 is just the most recognizable version. Yeah, this feels really, really great open. I can tell I would be able to layer like a flannel on underneath this, maybe like a lighter weight hoodie, which is really nice. And yeah, so buttons feel really good. Again, buttoning that up and it doesn't feel too tight or anything. They also said there's gonna be no shrinkage on this as well. And yeah, I probably won't wash this unless I like really rough it up and or it's like been through some dirty things, but I probably won't give this a wash really at all. And I won't test really the theory that will it shrink or not. And if I do, yeah, I'm just gonna be incredibly cautious of washing it. Always on cold and typically an air dry. But yeah, incredible piece. Yeah, it feels really amazing. Feels good opened. Feels really good buttoned too. Glad I went with the medium in this. Size small, like I probably wouldn't be able to layer, just like I said with my other jacket that is very similar to this as well. So yeah, 100% cotton. That's gonna be pretty standard on pretty much all denim and everything that Ironheart makes really. And yeah, I keep calling this a denim jacket, but it is not denim. It is again a duck canvas, which yeah, you might know that like a lot of Carhartt jackets and whatnot are made from duck canvas, like Carhartt pants. And yeah, it's the same, like basically the same fabric, very thick and very durable. Amazing color. Let's talk price of the jacket. So this comes in at $420. Again, I bought it from Iron Shop Provisions. And yeah, so typically like with their modified stuff, I think you're gonna see like about $100 difference. So like a jacket like this that like doesn't have hand warmer pockets, isn't really the modified cut, it's probably gonna be about $100 less than that. So that $420 is pretty typical. They sort of go up $100 for those extra features. But again, I mentioned this with so many things from Ironheart. They're forever pieces. Like you're gonna keep them forever, and if you don't, you can actually put them on the secondhand market for relatively the same price that you bought them. They hold value, which is very rare for a lot of clothing. A lot of clothing that isn't vintage or anything, it still holds value because there is that durability aspect that it just lasts forever. And it wears in so well and it ages beautifully. So, it holds the value, but I'm pretty certain that I'm just gonna hold onto these things forever, maybe pass them down to relatives or a younger generation too as well. I have nephews, so, if they're into this kind of stuff 10, 20 years from now, you know, they're gonna have a great hand-me-down wardrobe. But anyways, yeah, so you're just gonna hold on to it forever, wear it a lot, and never really want to get rid of it. I don't really want to get rid of any of these things that I have. So that price point is like pretty much always worth it to me. Again, you're getting, it's just constructed so well. Like right at the gate when you open these things up, open up the package, you'll just notice that like there are no loose ends on these things. The stitching quality looks so durable. The fabric is so thick and just, it's gonna last a long time, as opposed to like your typical fast fashion. I just remember like buying things with like loose ends, like thread kind of sticking out here and there. Buttons would like fall off after like a month. You know, there'd be a rip in the material at the stress points because of like the material was just like so thin and not durable. You know, and most of that stuff is made out of polyester, nylon, which just isn't good for the environment or for your body in general. So, and these things, I always feel that extra reassurance with just that I'm just wearing something quality and that's not like potentially hazardous and poisonous, you know, over the long run. So yeah, you always get that with like Ironheart and any of those top tier brands. So, but yeah, really loving this. Definitely a really, really cool piece, and I'm gonna wear the crap out of it. So, all right guys, that's gonna conclude the video for today. Always don't forget to like and follow and drop me a comment if you wanna talk about anything related to this or anything else on the channel. All right guys, have a good one.